These are the different type of programmers inside of Roblox Studio. The normal programmer. All right, I'll make some code that prints out two numbers. All right, so we can make local variable a equals 10, local variable b equals 5, and I can make local total is equal to a plus b. And then I can do print, then I can do toString, and then I can do total. I'm gonna say that's it. Perfect. The YouTube programmer. All right, I wanna print out two numbers here. How can I do this? Let me try YouTube. All right. Oh, this looks pretty. This is pretty reasonable. Okay, just a couple videos. Oh, kind of. Okay, pretty decent in length. Okay, yeah, I can finish this right now. This is perfect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bust these out.
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4. A few moments later. One eternity later.
Whew. After watching the videos, I feel like I'm ready now. Okay. Uh. The copy and paste programmer. Print out two numbers. How do I do that? Oh, time to go find some code. All right. Okay, this looks promising. Nah, maybe let's add some more.
Yeah, boy.
There we go. Perfect. Voila. The I don't know what's to put for variable names programmer. All right. I'm gonna be printing two numbers here with two variables. Okay, it's gonna be easy. So let's make the variable name first. Local print the first number that. All right, and we says equal to 5. That's perfect. Okay. Okay, now time for the next one. We'll print the next number. Whew, okay, that's perfect. That explains everything I'm gonna do. Now let's put 10 here. Okay. Now let me add these two together actually. Whew. All right, now time to put the variable names in here. Whew. All right. Now time to print. That's perfect. The professional programmer. I need to print two numbers.
Skip it up and